Hey guys, welcome to our third video.
Hey guys.
Yeah, this is Ryan. It's not retarded. So yeah, today we're gonna do the burping challenge. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Wow, but Cindy, she's a girl and she should act like one. But no, I'm not all of that. So I'm gonna just enjoy the burping challenge just like any other person would. So yeah, we'll see you now. Bye! Hey guys, so Ryan's going to take the first sip and he's going to do the first burp. But I'm going to beat him, so yeah.
This is my burp. Yeah. Wow. It's rude, but it's worth it. So, over to Cindy.
That was mine, so yeah, okay. We'll see you now.
Dang. Whoa. Okay, over to Cindy. Bye, guys. Whoosh.
Oh yeah, I'm so gonna win.
Let me. Okay.
Boost.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay, so over and out to Ryan. By the way, I know I'm gonna win. He felt like a girl. Lol. I mean, I'm a girl and I can burp better.
Okay, that was a lot. Okay, guys. Here's Cindy. Whoa! Holy shit! Holy moly! Oh my goodness! So, guys, you had to hear that.
Wait. Here's the last one. Okay, so we're gonna see you now. Okay, so Ryan surrendered, so I'm gonna do the last burp. So I'll see you now.
Hey guys. Okay, so Cindy's just busy with her motion. Let's give it over to Cindy.